just on my way to Innisfil Creek Honey to buy some mite treatment, pick up a J tool, hive tool, and also get another deep hive body because I wanted 10 hives this year and I only have enough for 8, and then I have my flow hive. So I just need one more, and I'm hoping I can get back early enough that I can do a bit more painting because I was rained out yesterday. Thanks for coming along.
Yes, I know that 1 and 1 are 2. Ain't no problem that I can't see through, as long as it's just me and you, my crazy little bees.
For those American watchers, Tragically Hip is such a good band, a Canadian band. If you want to test out some Canadian tunes, I recommend Tragically Hip. So I'm just driving down the bumpy farm roads to get to Innisfil Creek Honey. There isn't any bee suppliers that I know of directly in Muskoka area. They're all around Barrie, Innisfil, Alliston, that sort of neck of the woods where all the farming communities are. But it makes me wonder if I should get into the bee supply business because there isn't anything where I am. And a lot of people ask me for bees. I haven't registered to sell bees or breed bees or anything. I don't feel I'm experienced enough to get into that yet. If you do sell bees and you are in Ontario, just comment below and let me know what that process is like and if you recommend it or not. To my destination. I'm just gonna Google quickly. I don't know if flow hives need queen excluders. I didn't even think of that. So I'm just gonna Google that quickly, and then if I need them, I'll get them, and if not, I will not. Goods. I've been wearing a mask because my husband's a firefighter and I'm just like, if anyone has COVID, he does, so then I do. Not that I have any symptoms of it, but just protect other people. But anyway, I think I got everything. I just picked up 2 queen excluders, and when I Googled it, it said yes to use them. I got the plastic ones so I can cut them down for an 8 frame body, and I got a box and stuff. I'll show you. My mask is also made by my sister. No, I'm not trying to promote it. She'll actually probably hate me because she's been getting so many orders for these masks, but they just like, look at this, it like fits perfectly to my face. I feel like a superhero. Her company is called Double Dutch, spelled D-U-B-B-E-L-E, Dutch, which is the Dutch way to spell double. So D-U-B-B-E-L-E if you're interested and you're in Canada. And these sweet reusable masks. And there's I have a coffee filter in here. There's a little sleeve on the side so I can put in a new filter and you can wash them. So it's pretty nice. Some Formic Pro mite strips. I got the J tool hive and I got some excluders. So I think I'm ready to go. So beautiful out here though. Everything's down. Everything's down. Everything's down. road trip. Thanks for joining me. I was reading the Formic Pro instructions and it says not to treat the bees if it's over 30 degrees Celsius. So the next 3 days it's supposed to be over that for May, which is crazy. So I'm gonna wait till Friday. Is it warm out, Gertrude?